Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. If you were unfortunate enough to put the cylinder head on without putting that water gasket on there to this coolant pipe that goes behind the timing belt cover on the back side of the engine, there is a little bit of hope. The hope is that you can access this bolt right here that is located under the exhaust manifold. Now, I don't know how you could get a tool on that, but if you could somehow get a tool on that 10 millimeter and unscrew that 10 millimeter, you can take this coolant pipe that runs across this crossover coolant pipe and rotate it just enough in the back of the water pump, pivot it down this way. You can slide a gasket in there, pivot it back up, and put those two 10 millimeter bolts back in there. However, if you can't get to that bolt, the only way to access it is to pull the exhaust manifold. Maybe easier than pulling the head and cheaper than pulling the head, but that's your option. Remove that bolt, pivot that pipe, install the gasket, put the bolts in the gasket, put the bolt back in the pipe, and you'll be good to go. Now you have a lower radiator hose connected there. You get a coolant hose connected to the turbo here. If you have a turbo car, you have a heater hose connected to the firewall there. However, those hoses should fluctuate enough to let you get that pipe twisted enough to get that gasket in there. To get a 1/2 inch space in that area, you only got to turn this thing a little bit. At worst, you could drain the coolant and take that lower radiator hose loose from there. Hope that helps. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.